This course is a custom course for a customer who has new mechanics and new engineers trying to understand their existing equipment. And my job is to explain the hydraulic schematics to these people. These classes are for new engineers, veteran engineers, mechanics, and assembly people. They all have to read schematics and understand their portion of the job.
I think what surprised me most is how little I came in knowing and how much I know now. I knew nothing about hydraulic schematics or reading it, and I know like so many symbols already.
This class is beneficial daily because it allows you to understand the prints more in depth of what each component does.
Usually I start out with a basic understanding of hydraulics, how symbols work, how the pieces go together, what the basics of the engineering are, and then I'll go into more specifics of their particular equipment. For these particular students, they need to be able to read hydraulic schematics and understand the symbology, and then they need to understand each piece of equipment that they have and its particular needs.
I would say that this class should be offered to all employees, no matter the craft, because it can cross so many different craft lines.
Even if you're not around hydraulics or anything, like knowing every piece of the puzzle, like these machines have so many different aspects to it, but knowing every piece of the puzzle definitely helps. I think it'll just keep everything efficient.
Unfortunately, we're losing a lot of knowledge in the industry. A lot of people are retiring. A lot of people that have that tribal knowledge of the equipment are going away. And there need to be more and more people that understand this equipment and understand how to read the drawings. So I help those people come up to speed.